Hi everyone, so this is a tutorial video on how to use Niki Live App. Niki Live App is just like any other social media app. So it is a social media app where you can go live, you can share different content, you can post, you can do many things the way you do on TikTok or Facebook or any other social media app. So if you want to know how to use this Niki Live app, or maybe you'd want to join, this is the first time you're hearing about it, so you can message me. I'll link you up, or maybe you can get the link on the description of the video if you're watching on YouTube. So if you're watching this on TikTok, you can message me or inbox me. I'll share with you the link. So the first thing you have to know when joining Niki Live App, you need a link. So a link is what I'll provide you with if you maybe text me that you want to join, or if you're watching on YouTube, as I have said, on the description of the video or maybe on the comment section, I'm going to pin it there. So if you've gotten that link, you'll tap on it. It will direct you to where you're supposed to download Niki Live App. So after downloading Niki Live App, you'll be able to create your own account. That is, you'll be providing your details, registration details, I mean, just your name, your first name, then your username, and your last name. So after that, maybe they'll require you to set your own password. So I'm going to take you through step by step on how to use this app while showing you exactly how it works. So make sure you watch this video until the end. So the only thing you need to join Niki app is internet. So long as you have internet, you have your phone or maybe your laptop, you can as well join Niki Live app. So for more information, make sure you watch this video until the end, because I'm going to explain more about Niki app while showing you what you're supposed to do step by step. So the only thing you need is all those things I've mentioned. And if you have any question, or maybe you have anything to share or maybe to ask, as I have said, inbox me. I'll be able to reach out to you. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you follow this account if you're watching me on TikTok. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're watching me on YouTube or any other social media app you're watching me on. Make sure you follow me for more videos. So thank you for now. Make sure you watch the video until the end. See you in the next video, or see you soon at the end of this video. Thank you guys. Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to use Niki Live app. Niki Live app is just like TikTok, where you can go live, interact with friends, post different contents. So I'm going to explain step by step how it works, how to join, and everything about Niki app. So you just need to watch the video until the end for you to get all the steps for you to join Niki Live app. Is to register for an account, and for you to register for an account you need a link, and for you to get a link you'll reach me out. I'll share with you the link. And another thing, after registering for an account, you need to download this app, Niki Live app. Then after that you log into your account. When you log into your account, this is the first page you'll see. Then we have post, where you can post anything, just like any other social media. We have club, we have chats, we have me. So everything about you is under me. So if you want to see people who are live, you can tap on live, where you can post. Like here, when you tap on post, you can see all this written on my screen. So everything, okay, the difference between this app and other social media, it's just like TikTok though. It will reward you for everything you do in it. So we have different things, and with different rewards and different levels. So every level has got its own rewards. So you can go live. If you want to go live, you can just tap on here. Yeah, if you tap on that place, it will direct you to where you're supposed to go live. So if you tap on live, you'll go live, as you can see here. So we have 4 seats where you can invite your friends, you talk, you story, or maybe you teach, like you can just do any other thing, the way you chat on other social media when you are live. Then we have 6 seats, we have 9 seats, so you can also go live yourself without inviting any person. So if you want to do that, you can just tap on here. If you want to go live by yourself without inviting anyone, this is for party. So apart from that, we have clubs. You can join different clubs, like clubs meaning like groups. You can see different people from different places. You can see everything you need to know on my screen. So we have different clubs. You can join the one you think is good for you or the one you want, or you can also create your own. You can also create your own to invite your friends, or maybe you can join your friends who are in this app, or maybe any other person you want to join. We have chats. You can chat with your friends, and here we have different activities. We have activity center, game center, task center. Then here is where you'll get system notification or official messages. Then if you want to know about yourself, you'll tap on me. Down here we have me. If you tap on me, you'll be able to see your name, your username, and your ID for this app. You can copy it. If maybe you want to share it with your friends, you can see the number of followers, follow those who are you're following, and friends. Okay, recharge, you can see. If you want to recharge, okay, then it's not a must. If you want to exchange, again, like if you want to exchange these beans into cash, you just tap on exchange. So long as you have the required amount when it comes to exchange, you can see the minimal amount you can exchange is 30,000 beans. So you just tap on exchange. You can also withdraw. So the minimal amount you can withdraw is beans equivalent to $10. We have different tasks every day. So under my level, you can see the level you are in, and again you can see different tasks. We have different tasks every day that you need to complete, and you can see every day you have like $7.13 rewards that if you complete, you'll get 7.13 every day if you complete all your tasks every day. So you can see the number of tasks we have daily. We have live tasks, we have play tasks where you can play different games. So if you tap on live, like you see, we have here, you can go live for maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours. You'll be rewarded for that. And your friends who can also gift you. When you're live, you have games you can play, different games that you can play. Anything that you need to know. Agency. So we have different agency. So if you want to know the agency you are under, you can see agency growth rewards. You can see mine, and here you can see everything right here. So for you to go to the next level, or mine is commission level D, I have to reach 50. So I'm still in level C, that is 7%. Anything that you need to know. You can also invite your friends to join your agency. Game center, you can play different games. There are many games that you can play. We have different games that you can play with your friends. Host center. You can see you can also invite your friends, guys. You can invite your friends by sharing a link. Anytime you invite your friend, there is a reward. So let me show you what you'll be rewarded when you invite your friends, or what reward you get after inviting or sharing a link with your friend when your friend creates account and perform daily tasks. It's like my network is so low, but here it is. Okay, so invite a friend, get $14.5 per friend. So anytime you share a link with your friend and your friend creates account and perform daily task, they have to perform task for you to get that 14.5 per friend. So you can get your link here, you can copy it, then share it with your friends. So when your friend come to Niki Live, they can complete host task and receive rewards up to $24 in a day, especially if they become high quality. They can also get exclusive tasks and get extra rewards. So this is where you can tap to add your friends, or you share your link with them directly. So as a host center, like as a host, if you go to host center, you can start your live right here. If you tap on this button, start live. If you want to see your daily activities, you can go under activities. If you want to see what you've done or the history, you can go under activity center. You'll see everything you've done on the app. And again, if you have any question or any problem, you can contact customer service on WhatsApp or live chat, or even on Telegram. If you have any feedback, you can write it right here. So that's all you need to know about Niki Live. So that is all I wanted to share. I hope you learned something. So that is all you need to know about Niki app. If you have any question, you can ask.